Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I will be recreating my old nail design. And this is my actually first nail design that was up on YouTube, and it's still up. 6 years ago I uploaded this video and I wanted to recreate this nail design because I do have better camera now and better equipment, and you can definitely see that my voice has changed and how much I have grown up, which is amazing to look back in time, and I love that about YouTube. I also think this nail design is stylish now as well, so I wanted to recreate it, and here we go. Okay, as always, start off by having clean nails, and this is how my nails are looking right now. They're growing pretty nicely, and I'm going to apply my base coat. You can use any base coat of your choice. This is just the one that I'm using, and I'm going to apply it. Base coat protects your natural nails from staining, and a while back I had no idea about this, but I did use it. If you see it on my YouTube videos like from 6 years ago, once I started uploading them. But now base coats are must, so we're applying it, and I'm applying it on all of my nails. And you will see for this design you will need some tools, but also you will need some studs. It's pretty easy to do this design, and I like it a lot because I think that anyone can do it. It's super stylish and nice, and you will see it in this video how it's done. I have found this OPI nail polish that I also used 6 years ago, and yes, I still have it. I have a tiny bit left, but it's still manageable to use, and I love this color because it does look black, but it's actually not black. It's like deep purple. And yes, I'm just gonna apply it on my pointer finger, also on my pinky finger, and on my thumb. Those are the nails. They're going to be super dark, like black almost. Even though, you can use black or just this nail polish that I used. It's just up to you what you have in your nail polish stash. And the rest of my nails, you will see I'm going to apply this kind of beigey color that I have, and it's not exact nail polish that I used in my video 6 years ago, but it's pretty similar to the shade. It's basically supposed to be something that's going to be neutral, something beigey. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and basically all you need is one coat of these nail polishes, and I actually really like that, so I'm applying it on my nails. And yes, my hand is shaking a bit, and I always shake my hand. I don't know why. I guess it's just while I'm filming, I want it to be as perfect as possible. So sometimes my hand shakes from I don't know, nervous. I don't know. But I'm taking a little liner striping brush, and I'm going to create little pointer design on my ring finger. As you can see, I'm not being extremely precise because I haven't done this in a while, but you just gotta wing it, and that's it. Yeah, I did mess up a little bit, but you will see once you apply a top coat, it will be totally fine, so no worries here. So I'm just creating little pointers, and that's basically it for it. It's not that hard to do, but maybe if nail polish was brand new, the one that I was using was not, maybe it would be easier. Then I'm going to apply a top coat, and I'm going to add some studs. Top coat will act as a glue for my studs because I don't want to use real glue, because I always use a top coat to act as a glue, and my designs have been really holding good, so that's what I've been doing. And I'm going to apply a little stud on the black nails as well, a little pointy stud. And that's basically it. I'm gonna lock everything in with some top coat to make sure that everything is nice and sealed in. And yeah, it definitely shows when you do designs that top coat is super important, and to me it's most important step of any manicure, because it just really locks everything in, makes sure that everything is nice and melted, and kind of gets that design and dimension. So there you have it. I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, here you can hear my voice. Oh my god, yeah,
Today on
I used to sound like that. It's adorable. but
I'm already a fan of studs and spikes
okay.
craft. I love the fact that you can wrap
Okay.
studs in nails too.
Okay, there you
This
have
video,
it.
I'll
I
be
hope you
showing
guys
you how
enjoyed
to
this
achieve
video. Let me
studded
know what you
nail
think in
art.
comments. I like reading your feedback. Give this video a thumbs up for more videos like this, recreating my old nail designs, and I will talk with you in my other one. Until then, never let anyone do your sparkle. Bye.